Have you experienced a really enormous creaking from your new YT Decoy? I have. I really didn't know where it was coming from. At first I thought it was the headset, then I thought maybe it was the cranks, and I thought maybe it was the shock. It's kind of hard to tell when you're riding down the trail. Got a creaking headset, that's what I have. That feels like my cranks. Oh, you know what I think it is? It might be the shock. Once I got the bike on this rack, I started checking bolts, and it turns out it's this main pivot point on this swing arm in the rear triangle. So I called YT and they told me how to fix it. So I'm going to show you what they told me how to do, and we're going to do it together. Okay, first is this bolt right here, which is number 5 hex. And you've got this taper washer in here. Which needs to be popped out. Like that. Then we have a hex in here. Just kind of deep. And that is the axle. And we need to lube that axle, so we're going to pull it out. And I'm hoping that this stays put. It's not staying put. Okay, I'm going to support this rear tire. It said to pull the wheel off. I didn't. That probably would have kept it from dropping, but we'll get it back in place. Okay, that looks pretty good. It looks pretty well greased already, but not enough, I guess. Yeah, I think it's this outer ring that's not well lubed against the carbon here. So we're gonna lube all of this, and that'll keep moisture from getting in there as well, and put it back in. I'm using an all-purpose synthetic blend grease. A couple of places that were dry right in here up against this outer expanding sleeve. That is definitely dry right there. So that looks pretty good. I'm going to put some Loctite on the threads. They suggested that. Try not to make a mess of myself. Slide this puppy back in. This is where that alignment is important. There we go. So that's 6mm hex. Adjust it to 10 Newton meters. And we put our expanding taper washer back in to the expanding bolt. This is a 5mm hex, and that is to be torqued to 8 Newton meters. And that's done. So, if it starts to just really make noise down here somewhere and it sounds like your frame is coming apart, it's probably that. When I called YT, he knew right what I was talking about and told me exactly how to fix it.